Welcome to Learn Smart. In this video, we discuss some essential financial planning tips for individuals aged 40 and above in India. As you approach 40, it's crucial to make informed financial decisions to secure your future and achieve your financial goals. Let's dive into our top tips. 1. Assessing current financial situation. The first step in financial planning is to assess your current financial situation. Take a close look at your income, expenses, and debts. Create a budget that aligns with your lifestyle and ensures you're saving enough for the future. 2. Retirement planning. At this stage, retirement planning becomes paramount. Consider opening a retirement account like a Provident Fund, PF, Public Provident Fund, PPF, or National Pension Scheme, NPS. Maximize your contributions to benefit from tax deductions and ensure a comfortable retirement. 3. Insurance coverage. Review your insurance coverage. Health insurance is crucial to safeguard against rising medical costs. Additionally, consider purchasing term life insurance to provide financial protection to your dependents in case of an unfortunate event. 4. Clearing debts. As you plan for the future, it's essential to prioritize debt repayment. Start by paying off high-interest debts like credit cards and personal loans. Reducing your debt burden will free up more money for saving and investing. 5. Investment strategies. Diversify your investment portfolio to reduce risk and enhance returns. Consider a mix of equity investments like mutual funds and stocks, along with fixed income options like fixed deposits, FDs, and bonds. Seek advice from a financial advisor if needed. 6. Emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is crucial at any age, but even more so in your 40s. Aim to have at least 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This will provide peace of mind during unexpected situations. 7. Estate planning. Estate planning is often overlooked but is essential to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Create a will and appoint a trustworthy executor to manage your affairs when you're no longer around. 8. Avoiding emotional decisions. During times of market volatility, it's common to feel emotional about your investments. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Stick to your long-term financial plan. 9. Regular review. Financial planning is an ongoing process. Regularly review your financial goals, investment performance, and risk tolerance. Make adjustments as necessary to stay on track. Remember, it's never too late to start financial planning. By implementing these tips and staying disciplined, you can secure your financial future and enjoy a fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Learn Smart for more valuable content. Thank you for watching.